Yo, what's up guys? We have made it to Sequoia National Park in Utah. This goes up 50 minutes to the summit of some beautiful mountain and then goes to Kings Canyon. Keep on going. Let's get some. Sequoia! Let's go! This could be a good road. Second gear? Third gear? Ooh, second, maybe. I'm gonna pull over for a second. Fuck it, go! GK! Okay. Oh, we got some switch trees up there. Some leaves. I don't know about the leaves. Oh, and that view's ruined. Hey, these guys better pull over. Fire danger high, it says. Whoa! Whoa, these are tight. The hills are alive, baby! Whoa, squiggles are us up there. Ooh. These are tight. These are tight. Get the knee out a little bit. I have to get my focus. Get the focus. Whoa, these are tight. Second gear days. Whoa. Second gear city over here. I love you, Sequoia. Whoa. Ah, watch out for the dragonfly. Look at the views. Don't look at the views, look at the road. Whoa. Just keep it in second. Don't get brave. Woohoo. Tuck it in. Don't let them. Whoa. Whoa. Look at these views. Oh my goodness, this is a road and a half. Sequoia's a dream. Gentle. You gotta really keep them tight here. Look at this rock. Tunnel rock, tunnel rock, tunnel rock. And we're off. This road twisty as a motherfucker. This is a tight one. This road's freaking so. Second gear and first gear. First gear are no fun. It's too tight. This road's too tight. It's like the tail of the dragon, except it doesn't help you. The tail's nice because it gives you these little curves. Look at this. These are just flat turns. You're gonna have to brake, clutch in, hard brake, roll right. Oh my goodness, this is stupid. Those are dumb. That's stupid. If you have to pull in the clutch for a turn, that's not the one. Use the focus. Keep your hands on the wheel, you idiot. Whoa. Rock that. Whoa. Rock steady. That's my boy. Oh, look at this. We're almost at the summit. Look at that. Look at that view. Whoa, baby. 10 mile per hour turn.